All right, so today we're going to mount a motion activated LED security floodlight. I bought these from Costco, but I think you can get them just about anywhere nowadays. So let's take a look. So it's already out of the box, and here is the light. So we have 3 adjustable lights on it. Let's move those out of the way. You can see. So you can put these out here and this one up in the middle, and you have lights that give you a 180 lighting area. And then this is the sensor. So it's a motion sensor. So this is going to be the sensor that detects movement and turns on. And here is the control panel. Hopefully you can see this. Let me bring the camera down a little closer. All right, so the settings on the bottom. This one sets the distance. This is very short distance it senses, medium and long. I've got mine set on long. If you have a lot of foot traffic or regular traffic that can interfere with this and give you false activation, then you can set it lower. Excuse me. And then this one tells you when it's going to come on. It will come on in daylight. This one comes on in kind of the middle, like sunset. And this one will only come on at night. And I have mine set here at night only. And then this is how long the light stays on. 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 7. I've got it set at 7 minutes. And this one sets how bright the LED lights are. So this one I've got set on the brightest. This is down a little lower. Okay, so that's it for the settings on that one. So this is how we adjust, or how we mount it. So this plate will mount to the junction box that's up where the light is now, and then this fits onto here via that. You can see this area here is raised up on this and lower in the other one. So you put this one fits into that hole, and on the front there's a place where this screw. Let's show you that screw. That screw there can be screwed into this spot here. And this is where you screw it onto the junction box using this bar across it. So let's go ahead and get that done. All right, so there it is, all caulked in. I've used clear, so it'll sort of fade back into the background. I might add some exterior tan caulking as well, just to fill that in, but it's sealed top and bottom now. So I'm happy with that. All right, let's keep going here. All right, so there's all 3 wires in. I had to trim them off just slightly because they were a little too long and I didn't want any copper sticking out below. Just better practice to do it that way. All right, we're ready for the light now. And you remember I showed you before this screw right here, you can see, goes into that hole there. So everything should just slip right together. Like that. Get our screwdriver out. And there we go, fully installed. Let's try it out here. There we go. There'll be light. And that should go off in a minute because it's light outside. Take it a second to get itself programmed. There we go, and that's really all there is to it. Kind of just a pretty straightforward job to install lights like this. So good luck with yours. Catch you on the next video. Bye.